Are you struggling with an API request in C# and getting a frustrating 500 internal server error? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to remove the default charset from your HTTP client request header. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your code seems perfect, but the server just won't cooperate. Many developers face this issue, especially when dealing with character sets in HTTP requests. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that they are hitting an API from their C# code but are receiving a 500 internal server error. They discovered that the Charset UTF-8 is being appended to the request header, which is causing the issue. Let's dive into how we can fix this. So why is this happening? The Charset UTF-8 being added to the request header can lead to compatibility issues with certain APIs. Understanding how to control your request headers is crucial for successful API interactions. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To remove the default charset from the HTTP client request header, the user should start by creating a new instance of string content without specifying the encoding. This will prevent the default charset from being appended. Next, the user should ensure that the content type is set correctly. This can be done by explicitly specifying the media type in the string content constructor. After that, the user needs to assign the content to the request message. This step is crucial to ensure that the request is sent with the correct headers. Finally, the user can send the request using the send async method. This will execute the request without the unwanted charset in the header. Fun fact, did you know that the 500 internal server error is a generic error message? It doesn't tell you exactly what went wrong, which can make troubleshooting a bit of a mystery. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to remove the default charset in your HTTP client request headers involves modifying the headers directly. First, you can remove the existing connection header and then add it back with the value keep alive. Additionally, you can remove the application JSON from the accept headers and re-add it. This ensures that the charset is not appended to your request. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your request headers when dealing with APIs. A small change can make a big difference in your response. And there you have it. By adjusting your string content, you should be able to avoid the charset issue and get the response you need. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on coding.